How to use an incremental update to upgrade a kernel. Using an incremental update file offers a method to safely upgrade a Honeywell Mobility Edge device safely to a newer maintenance release. An incremental update file name contains two firmware versions. The first version is the firmware that a Mobility Edge device must be on to use the file. The second version indicates which firmware version the Mobility Edge device will have once it has been updated. Before downloading or installing any files, please verify the current firmware version that is on your device. The firmware version can be found on the device by going to either Settings, About Phone, or Settings, System, About Phone. Incremental files are downloaded from the Honeywell software site, hsmftp.honeywell.com. Once on the software site, navigate to Software, Computer Device, either handheld, vehicle-mounted, or wearable, depending on what device you have. Your device, choose the Android version currently installed, select either GMS or non-GMS, and then Incrementals. You can download the correct incremental file for your device. If the wrong incremental is used, Upgrader will display a state initialization error. You will need to verify the current OTA version, and then download the correct incremental file. If you have any questions or issues, please contact Honeywell Technical Support. Thank you.